In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Brevo account in just 5 minutes. If you've decided that the time has come to part ways with Brevo, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is closed smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to open your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you prefer, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, all will lead you on your way. In the address bar of your browser, type in the URL for Brevo's website and hit Enter. Take a moment to double-check that you've reached the official website to avoid any potential phishing sites. Once you've landed on Brevo's homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see your account name or possibly a profile picture. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will unfurl with various options to explore. What you're looking for is a link or button labeled Settings. Go ahead and select this option to delve deeper into your account management settings. Navigating through the settings might seem a bit tricky, but stay focused. Scroll down the page. Keep going until you reach the bottom. Somewhere in this vicinity, perhaps tucked away a little, you'll find an option that reads, Definitively close your account, or simply close your account. This is the crucial step where you start the process of saying goodbye to Brevo. Now, Brevo doesn't take account closure lightly, and neither should you. By selecting the option to close your account, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This is especially important as it pertains to your data. Take some time to carefully review any information provided about data deletion. It's always wise to understand how your personal information will be handled post-closure. Finally, once you are absolutely certain about your decision, look for a Yes button or similar confirmation option. Clicking this will signal the start of your account closure process. It's the last step you need to finalize the procedure and sever your ties with Brevo. As a quick tip, consider checking any email confirmations or notifications from Brevo post-closure. This is a good way to ensure that everything went through and your account is closed as intended. There you have it, a streamlined guide to closing your Brevo account. The entire process is quite straightforward, and if you follow these instructions, you should be able to wrap everything up within a few minutes. Remember, thoroughness is key, especially when it involves personal data and online accounts. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your next digital adventure.